Hello friends, today we are building a 60K gaming PC. Some parts are optional so you can leave them while building your own PC. Leaving them won't affect your gaming performance at all, but I will recommend you to purchase a custom cooler instead of stock cooler which is provided with the processor. Let's start with knowing our components. At first we start with our processor. For this build we are using Intel's i5-9400F. It has 6 cores and 6 threads. We are using this because the condition of the market after pandemic is not all good. AMD has increased their prices at $11K. This processor is really a bang for the buck. Next we have our motherboard. We are using MSI B365M Pro VDH. This is a really cheap MOBO with some amazing features. It has 4 RAM slots with dual channel capability. As it is a Intel-based board, so the frequency of RAM is set to 2666 MHz. You can add up to 64 GB RAM. Also it has some cool features like Core Boost, Audio Boost, 4-pin RGB header, etc. It has a NVMe SSD slot and a PCIe 3.0x16 slot for GPU. In the box we get a I/O shield, documents, paperworks, a CD and a cool MSI Dragon sticker. Overall it is a good MOBO below 7K. Now we are using a 16 GB memory kit by Ballistics. There are two 8 GB RAM. This is a nice value for money RAM. And please try to use 16 GB memory for gaming. 8 GB is not sufficient for latest games. Now the most important part of this PC is the graphics card. So for the GPU we are using Gigabyte GeForce GTX 1660 TOC edition. It is based in GDDR6 and has 6 GB VRAM. The cooling system of this card is a great trademark. The WindForce feature cools down the card very fast and the sound of the dual fans are negligible to normal ears. What's cool is that it comes overclocked out of the box so you don't have a headache of overclocking. The backplate is covered with a good quality plastic and uses a 8-pin connector to run. 1660 Ti is best for playing most games at 1080p on high or ultra settings. This card has a price tag of 24.5K. Now we need to think about the PSU which will be coming from Corsair. We gonna use Corsair's VS500 watt PSU. It is a 80+ rated gaming PSU. It has a 16A Indian plug. 500W is required for our build, but you can use higher but don't go lower. Here we have 240 GB SSD from Kingston. We will use this for local disk C and you can buy 1 TB or 2 TB HDD of your choice. For cabinet we have the ICE 200TG from Antsports. This has a visible side panel and a fan at its back. Enough talk, now let's build our system. Hey, if you calculate all the price it will go near 60K. I have used a custom cooler and RGB fans in my PC which is totally optional.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill. Fill you like a pill to get my fill. No, no, do me in the worst way. Don't let me sleep. Never say you're sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Baby, but you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill. Take you like a pill. Get my fill.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky. Where am I? When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. When you want to get off the darkest ground,
My heart rages around like an ocean